Happy birthday, dear Charlie Bird Parker. Today, August 29th, I invite you to meet and celebrate my legendary friend, Charlie Bird Parker. Hello friends. Welcome back to my museum. As you know, I'm your host, Saint Patricia. Please call me Patricia. I'm a 7-leaf clover and the godmother of all plants. My mission is to protect every plant in the world. Love and appreciate the plants you meet every day on your path. Charlie, sweetheart, I adore you. Always. Friends, in honor of Charlie Bird Parker's birthday, would you please join me for a minute of silence?